Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're checking out the Edifier Neobuds Pro 2, and these may just be my favourite earbuds of 2023. So, let's take a look. The Neobuds 2 come in two different colours. We've got black and the white version I have here, and they're coming at around $129. However, keep an eye on Edifier's website or Amazon because the original Neobuds can be found on discount for around $100 fairly regularly, so maybe the Neobuds Pro 2 are going to go that same way. A quick call sheet of features includes active noise cancellation, LDAC support, 8 mics for clear calls, and up to 22 hours worth of battery life. In the box you will have some paperwork, a USB A to C cable, a nice soft carrying pouch, and a ton of ear tips. In total you have 6 in the box and a pair on the earbuds themselves, so safe to say you're going to have tons of options to find that perfect fit. Then of course you have the Neobuds Pro 2, and like I mentioned, I have them in this nice off-white colour, which they're calling Ivory. The overall design is pretty nice. The case does have a customizable LED strip along the front, which can be changed in the Edifier Connect app, along with all of the normal EQ settings. The case isn't the smallest out there compared to something like the AirPod Pro 2 for example, but overall it's a nice fit and finish. Around back you have the USB-C port capable of a 50-minute quick charge for 2 hours of music playback, and the pairing button is just inside the case in between the two earbuds. Now I do like this ivory and silver combination here. The matte black ones do just come in plain black with not really any other accents apart from a glossy black. It would have been nice to see maybe a gold or rose gold colour on the black option. The earbuds themselves are also pretty nice with a matte finish overall, apart from a glossy section which is closest to the ear. You have indications on left and right and a ton of cutouts and sensors. This is mainly used for the noise cancellation and also the in-ear detection, because they do have the function to pause the music when you take out the earbuds for a second and then resume playing once they're back in. You can even see the sensor working here in this video, but overall it's a pretty nice design. In terms of features you have LHDC192 and X to allow up to 192 kHz, 24-bit coding and decoding. This means overall you get a little bit extra punch in the mix of the sound, however this is depending on the streaming service you're using. They also have Google Fast Pair, which means extremely quick pairing to your Android device, however if you're on iOS you are going to have to do it the old fashioned way going into the settings. You also get spatial audio with head tracking, but much like with other earbuds, I don't really use this feature as I feel that moving music takes away from the overall sound quality. Each earbud also has 4 microphones for amazing call quality, and it does sound really good. So the design is nice, they've got a ton of features, but what is the overall sound like on the Neobuds Pro 2? Well, it's actually pretty great. Of course you get the ANC on board, it blocks out a ton of background noise from public transport, low and high hum sounds, and just in general a ton of stuff that you don't want to interrupt your music day to day. You also have a ton of sound options to go along with the EQs in the Edifier Connect app. You have noise cancellation at low, medium and high, wind reduction and ambient sound or pass-through. This comes on with a low latency gaming mode, so they're pretty good for mobile gaming overall, and like I say you've got a ton of options when it comes to the sound quality. And overall the sound is amazing for the price. When you look at something like the AirPods Pro 2 coming in at around double the price, there's no reason to look anywhere else if you want a well-built, great sounding pair of earbuds. Battery life is also pretty good, coming in at around 22 hours. Now this is based on a combination of the earbuds and the case, but it means that being away from your house for a long flight, work commute, or even a week of workouts, safe to say they've got you covered. Also, like I mentioned, they do have quick charge built in, so a 15-minute charge is going to get you around a 2-hour playback. So overall the Edifier Neobuds Pro 2 are a great pair of earbuds. They will of course be linked in the description down below, and a huge thank you to Edifier for sending these over for this review. However, they didn't have any editorial input with this video, and they're seeing it the exact same time that you are, so all of the thoughts and the opinions in this video are of course my own. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below as well. If you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so, and of course once you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.